Hey, I'm John, and today I want to talk a little bit about designing your dream deck. So with decks, we offer two different types of materials. Our first one is a composite. This is composite wood boards that are topped with an awesome plastic coating that's super customizable, and you can really pick a color that works great for your space. It's also inexpensive and super long lasting and durable. There's almost no maintenance besides cleaning that goes with these deck boards, which makes it no headache at all to own. Our second option is a PVC deck board that's full plastic. So these are gonna last a super long time. They've got a little bit longer warranties, and they are gonna be the best of the best for you homeowners that want only the best for your yard. So one thing you're really gonna wanna consider when building your deck and designing it is gonna be the width of the deck, because the deck boards typically come in 8, 12, 16, or 20 feet. So when you choose one of these dimensions, there's gonna be less cuts for the guys installing, gonna be less cost because of material waste, and you're gonna get the most square footage for your dollar. Now, when it comes to pulling permits for your project, most contractors are gonna handle this for you, but if you're a DIYer and wanna do it yourself, I highly recommend Decks.com to build and price your deck. It's gonna give you a full material list breakdown of your project, and it's also gonna give you permit plans ready to go. There's gonna be some minor tweaks on those that you'll need to make, but they should be a very good start for your permit. Lastly, when you're designing your deck, here comes the fun part: colors and railing options. So for your railings, you're gonna have white or black as the most common options. You're also gonna have a vinyl PVC type of railing or aluminum. I prefer aluminum for any decks above 4 feet because this is sturdier and stronger, risking nothing when it comes to falling off. If you go with the lighter duty PVC or vinyl, you're gonna feel a little bit of push and sway in those railings. And when you're 10 feet off the ground, I don't know about you, but I wanna feel safe.